nag-coffee, kailangan makita yung tasa ko. Diba? Ay, hindi rin makita ang tasa. Oh, diba? Teka, wait. Kamusta, ayan? Ayun, nasa mag lang, ha? Ang tagal ng watch hour ko, nakakainis. Tapos na sana, pero kinakain naman ni Lolo. Ni Whitey. Cute. Ay, sana all. Tapos ang bakasyon natin. Ito na naman tayo back to work. No? Charot lang. Anong charot? Di ka naman kasi nagla-live. Paano kita akyatan? Ngayon lang ako free. Malapit na rin ako maging busy. Wala na ako live. Diyos ko, day. Nakakamiss yung ganyan, no? Yung wala kang iisiping trabaho. Magbi-beer na, tapos sama ang tropa. Naalala ko those days. Shit. Nakakamiss yung ganyan, no? Bakit ka naman hindi ka wag ka kumanta. Akitan namin yung live mo. Ano ba yan? Tapos kakanta ka lang pag talagang kailangan. Kasi nahiya ka. Mag-off cam ka. O, diba? Nagkakaraoke kayo. Hindi ka man lang nag-live. Ang dami mo palang chance na nagkakaraoke ka. Only as you're 16, never been kissed, never been loved. And all I wanna do is ice cream. Ay, Idol Chris Angel. Happy Mother's Day talaga. Thank you so much sa mga bumabate. Lahat kayo music lover. Kami rin naman. Kami naman pag umuwi, hindi lang ako nagla-live kasi. Pag umuwi ako, lahat din naman kami kumakanta. Meron pa akong isang kapatid, ayan. Ang mga tinitira talaga nun, mga Mariah Carey. Mahihain nga lang. Ini-expose ko nga eh. Hindi rin naman ako nakapag-live na ano. Mayroon din naman kami, kaso lang minsan, naka-duty siya. Ayun na nga. Idol Chris Angel, wala na siya. Ewan ko ba sa'yo? Narinig na nga kita kumanta eh. Tapos ayaw mo naman. Bakit yung iba nga dyan na, sorry sa mga, meron nga iba dyan, kanta lang ng kanta. Tapos ikaw naman may boses, ayaw mong kumanta. Hala, ewan ko ba sa'yo, ayan. Ba't mo pinamigay? Kaya kayo binigyan para mag-live ka. Yung iba nga dyan, kanta ng kanta. Alam mo na. Wala na kasi, madali na ako mamaos. Ilang kanta lang mula. Ay talaga? Ako kaya ko naman 2 oras. Ako lang mag-isa. Kakanta. Oh my God. O live tumatawag. Ano ba yan? Alam mo naman wala akong VPN dyan. Ay, Mary Grace Paliazar, Trusted Team, Mel's World. Thank you so much. O, diba? May jacket ka na. May matagal na kitang lagyan ng jacket. Sige, mag-drop ka lang ng banner. No problem. Baniran mo lang yan. Sa mga hindi pa dikit kay Mary Grace. Forts Bell. Ah, yeah, okay. Bakit? Anong pinagkaiba ng live at saka karaoke? You're welcome, Mary Grace. Pareho lang naman kang bumibirit Wala naman pinagkaiba. Ako nag-try na rin naman ako karaoke, tapos iba pa rin yung live. Pareho lang. Support Fort Bell. Protect your life from evil eyes. Thank you so much sa mga nagtamsak, guys, Nag-ano lang ako ng aking watch hour kasi konti na lang. Kasi kung magla-live ako ng kakanta ako, Diyos ko, puro naman copyright. Oy, tsaka na pag na-reapply ko na. Kaya ginagawa ko, minsan umakyat na lang ako sa iba. Tinatauhan nyo lang. Oh, bakit mo pinamigay? Paano kanyan ngayon aakyat sa live niya? Never been kissed, never been loved. And I need someone to hold me. And I know it's the way that this can last. And I know that if you ask me to, I know I can get tonight. Kati mo. Kati mo naman pala. I love the way you want me. I love the way we move. Sinigor! Sinigor, hello, hi. I will give you your moderator. 1 second. Please don't forget to subscribe, and like and share. If you can share. Ala, meron ka na. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sinigor Senta. Where are you from? If you don't mind. Hindi talaga ako antukin kahit alas 12 ng madaling araw pa yan. Ayan. Naka-live ako direct. Bosnia. So Bosnia is, the language is English also?
Naka-live ka pala?
Yes, of course. I told you.
Oh, good, good. Punong-puno ka na niya ng watch hours.
Diyos ko, puno na yan. Matagal na yung puno. Kinakain nga ni Lolo.
O kaya dapat araw-arawin mo na naman, no? Pati pag live, no?
Oo.
Nabasa mo?
Yes.
Alam mo gagawin namin dahil siyempre si Mami, hindi naman yan talaga hindi naman mag-train yan. Ang gagawin namin, baka bukas magkita kami ni Daddy, tapos sabihin ko kay Daddy, sa Lunes pupunta kami doon, para doon na lang kami din magpasundo, papunta rito sa airport. Dahil hindi naman kami na matutulog ng Lunes. Pag-check out kami bukas na ng hapon or gabi.
Saan ka ba ngayon?
Nasa airport pa lang, hinintay pa lang namin. Ito si RJ.
Airport ng ano?
Dito sa Fiumicino. Fiumicino nga ba, Diyo? Fiumicino.
Pero Italy na yan, Italy?
Oo, sa Italy na to. Sa pangalan pa lang, ito, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oo.
Yan, 30 minuti. 32 minuti.
Pavarotti.
Pavarotti. Si Mami Tutsi Batutsi, nag-acting.
Naka-live ako.
Siyempre. Hindi naman malakas, no?
Nasa tabi mo yan ng cellphone. Magkatabi lang yan. Ayan o, sabi ni Ayan de los Reyes, shout out daw.
Shout out. Mami Tutsi ay pupuntahan namin, sobrang busy. Ay kami ay dadalaw sa kanya.
May trabaho ba siya? Nag-work ba siya?
Hindi. Kasi busy siya. Nag-aayos siya ng kanyang matahanan. Ng mga gamit.
So wala siya sa walwalan.
Wala eh. Sabi niya nga, wala eh. Pagod ang mood, Raquels. Mabuti na lang. Tingnan mo, ang galing talaga ng timing, no? Sabi ko, ano kaya? Pag muna kaming doon tumuloy, total, makakapit naman yung mga hotel dito, no? Tsaka magaling naman si RG sa mga ganito. Tapos tamang-tama nga, nandun yung pamilya niya kasi nasa Mother's Day. Alam ko nagma-Mother's Day celebration sila.
Oo.
Tama yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya sabi ko, ganitong gagawin natin.
Sinigor.
Dalawang gabi lang tayo. Sinigor Senta, nandyan?
Yes, from Bosnia.
Bosnia, hindi Bosnia.
Ano ba yun? Bosnia ba yan? Bosnia?
Bosnia.
Bosnia o boss mo?
Hindi, boss mo.
Diyos ko, marami pa pala akong country na hindi alam ang bigkasin, giatay na yan.
Ano sabi mo?
Boss niya, boss mo, boss natin. Oy, yes, wow. Heart Buena Vista.
Heart talk. It's hard to talk.
Heart Buena. Andyan pa rin si Sinigor. Oh.
Ay, Jesus Maria, saan dito na?
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Hindi. Nato si Kuya Ay.
Kanino yan, ano?
Okay. Ano yung teka lang?
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Enjoy. All right. That was all live. She called me from Italy, you know. Yeah. I'm 43 years old. Oh, you're still young. And you're 43 years old and married or single? Oh, single. Why? What happened? Why still single? I've never been in love with you. Can't you see? This is all a big mistake. I'm looking for a girl. What are you looking for? Ayan, makinig ka lang dyan, ha? Baka ikaw ang aming, charot. What you're looking for? What is the qualifications that you're looking for a girl? Honestly, yes. Tawa ng tawa naman to. Oh. Hindi pa naman ako sanay ng mga ganyan dito sa You're great. Thank you, Ayen. Bantayan mo ako, baka gahasain. Thank you so much. I wanted to do live, like singing, you know. And siguro pag nag-live ako, lahat ng favorite ni Ayan, kakantahin ko. Kasi syempre, andyan siya. Kasi pag sa ibang else, hindi ko lahat maalala yung favorite niya pag sinusundan mo yung next na kakanta. Kainis mo yung mga salamin. Hindi ko makita masyado ang ano, sulat. Nice to meet you also, Sinigor. Okay lang, me too. I love old songs. Kasi mas, alam ko yung mga old love songs. Not really, really old, but 80s, like that. Mm-mm. I know I am scared tonight. Ay nako, ayan na ang sinasabi. Ayoko ng ganyan. Oh my God, it's raining in the Philippines right now. I hate it. So, Sinigo, you are not busy at this moment. What you do for a living? What are you doing? What is your everyday routine? Something like that, you know. Ayan, nagkikidlat pa tumuulan. And even if my heart, I've never been in love with you. Oh my gosh. But now I can't because I'm doing live. I'm using the phone for... Umuulan dyan. It's raining in the Philippines. Ayan de los Reyes. Kaya nga kasi nagbabalak ako mag-live. I want to go live like I want to sing. I don't know if I still have a voice from how many days I go to the Yan studio until end of the show. Wow. Ang sweet naman ng mga tropa mo. Wow, grabe ka. Ayaw mo talaga, sikat ka pala sa grupo. Gusto ko yan, magugulo. Ayoko ng boring. Ayoko ng tahimik. Ano ka ba? No problem, Senegal, but just give me your number and I'll save it. Okay, but now I can't. Maybe other time because I'm still at work and waiting for some calls. Ayan ka na naman, pero ayaw mo namang kumanta. Can't you see this is all a big mistake? Saan ba ka? Oo, pero sa pinagbuhatan pala kayo, no? You have the number in the channel description, so if you want. Okay, I'll go check and I'll go check your channel later, okay? You didn't answer me. Hindi ko alam kasi. Wow. When was that, Ayan de los Reyes? King, what is it, Ate? Have any questions to ask? Yes, because it's coffee break, you know. It's coffee break, King, king, king. Yeah. I just want to flex with the cup. Who's in the cup? King. And this is a gift. It's a gift from my friend. Yeah. How isn't that cup a sexy? Oh, no, it's. I'm not sexy. I'm sick. Lig. Who is on that cup? And King, super salt. What's super salt? It's me, of course. It's a gift from a friend. Yeah. No, I cut my hair. Matagal na din. You know, King, I think Walwalan is not started yet. That's why you're here. Yeah, this cup, she gave me, I think, this picture on the cup was 6 years ago. 6 years ago. You see? Oh my God. Can't you see this is all a big mistake? I should try and walk away, 'cause I need someone to hold me. And I know. Sasakit ilong ko sa bisita mo? Yes. 6 years ago still, it's there in your hands. No, the picture only. But this mug, she gave it to me last year. Thing? No, it's not. Wait. It's just notification from Facebook. Okay, you can request now. I will do the acapella. Can't you see? Oh my God, my hands are very dry. I need to put some lotion. Wait a minute. My English is not available today. Yeah, my English is limited only. Just it lasts only for 5 minutes. So you have to start asking me now because after 5 minutes, I don't have English anymore. That's why, King, if you have any questions in mind, You have to ask me now, or else my nose will bleed. Put some moisturizer. Yes, I have. Wait. But I can't move anyhow because I have nail polish in my hands. Of course, I have moisturizer. What do you think of me? I have moisturizer. At the next question, please ask. You have to ask me, What you want to ask me? You don't have questions in mind. King, 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 king. What time is the walwalan, king? Also, your ears are bleeding now. Yeah. Still, I know that if you ask me to, I know why I'm scared tonight. Okay, you want me to do a makeup tutorial? This is one of my favorite. It's from I think this is from, I forgot. Do you want some interpreter? I don't have anybody beside me right now, so who will interpret to you? I think king, 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 king. Bakit din nakakasi? It looks like cigarette. Yeah, it looks like cigarette, but it's not cigarette. Oh my god. Oh my gosh naman. Oh my gosh naman, king, look. Mm. I think it's finished because this one is 2 years ago. Everything to me here now is all old because I'm not using it every day. It's a sketch pen. Yes, this is for eyeliners. For you have to put something here. If I have a voice tonight, I can sing in Walwalan like 2 rounds because I've been singing for how many nights already? Oh my gosh. Day and night I was singing. I don't know if I still have a voice. So all things you have collection at a big set of collections. No, not really big. You know, I have friend that works at makeup station. So she gave me some of makeups, lipsticks like this is one this one is from her, and but this one is one of my favorite at this moment in time, one moment in time. you know. So you're doing makeup tutorial now. You guys are not using this. Why do I need to introduce you this makeup? Oh my God, Macho Fafa Bird, you're here. Ito yung mic ko ngayon. What may kasabot, oy? Okay. What do you have any questions in mind, Because I don't know how to ask you guys because all of you are men. So I cannot introduce you what I'm using. I'm using this kind of makeup. Of course you have to ask me. Di pa ako nagsuklay, ginanito ko na lang yung hair ko. I'm using this. This is one of my favorite from Makeup Station. Gusto niyo yung ganon, ganitong topic? Ah, ito na lang i-mind mo. No, in makeup, there's no side effects, but you have to do your skincare every day. Before you go to sleep, you have to clean your face. Put some moisturizer or if you are 40 and above, you have to use rejuvenation serum. Rejuvenation serum. You understand, guys, what I'm explaining here? This is the serum that when twice a day. You have to use it twice a day to maintain your skin, because I'm already old. I don't have retinol. This is um rejuvenation serum. Retinol ka pala. I use vitamin C, sir. Oh, you use vitamin C. Yes. As of now, I don't have any vitamin C that I'm taking. No. I just drink orange juice. Orange juice, yes. Because if you don't have this vitamins, what maintenance tuloy? If there's any food that you take that contains vitamins, you don't need to drink vitamins. Am I right? Am I right? Tiki tiki. Orange juice. Yes, orange juice, fresh orange juice is vitamin C. Now, one glass of orange juice is 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. You don't believe me? Just Google it. Google it just a little bit. Oh. And you asked me what's my favorite. What? You don't have any questions for me, guys. I don't like to live like this. I'm very seldom. I don't like to see my face in front of the camera. I hate it. Google is a liar. You hate Google. Okay, what your talent, ate? Aside from singing, of course, I know, Ayan, you don't like makeup. May niacinamide ka ba dyan? Pabili. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo, Papa Bird? Aside from aside from singing, of course, my talents are I can cook like Papa Bird and dancing. But now I don't like to dance anymore because I'm very conscious about my figure because I gain weight. But I love to dance. I was a dancer before, not a pole dancer. And I love to. What else is my talent? I'm good. I only do this to my. I'm good in, acrobatic. I only use it with my, ate, you must dance again, start diet. Oh my God, I need to start my diet. Because, I tell you guys, when I am stressed, only food is the one who comforts me. So when I eat food, when I am stressed and very upset, I'm looking for a food. And when I eat food, it comforts me because nobody comforts me anymore. Nobody loves me. Ang arte. Yes, because I love to cook. People who loves to eat are the best people. Lahat na sa'yo, ayan, lahat ng talent na sa'yo na. Tao naman si Papa Bird. Why no ate loves? Yes, I don't know why. I don't know why. That's why I'm going to get all single. Wow. Talagang mahataw ka sa contest. Because I'm not lovable, king. That's why nobody loves me. Bakit ganyan nakalagay dito sa akin, 0 viewer? Eh, bakit nandiyan naman kayo sa baba? Why? You broke your heart and say goodbye after promising forever. You wonder why you even tried. You are such a good pretender. The one you gave was all in vain. Nothing anyone can say. You'll never love this way again. Wow. It's the love on... Ay, pwede ka naman umakyat dito. I will invite you. Those who want to come up with me here now at my live stream, I can give you a invitation. It's the lover, not the love. Levi Mendoza. Thank you so much. Hi. Who broke your heart last night? It's the lover, not a dream. That didn't work out right. If you listen to your heart. Pakibaba mo yung upcoming mo, Fafa Bird. Ipin natin dito. Patamsakan natin sa ating mga kaibigan. It's the lover, not the love. Who deserted you? It makes up good to say again. If my love was wrong or right. If this is really meant to be, here we with you tonight. Parang gusto kong kumain habang nagla-live, pero pag natataba ako. May gugutumin na naman ako. Kinanta mo yan, isang beses sa isang channel. Sinigor Senta, hi, thank you so much for staying. Kanina pa yun, guys. The one you gave was all in vain. Nothing anyone can say will ever make it love that way again. It's the lover, not the love, who broke your heart last. Those who can guess my age, I will... What? Hindi ko alam kung ano sasagot ko, no? Guys, I want you to guess my age because I'm very old now, and I don't have bopis, but I have chicken wings from McDonald's. Kasi today I'm not in the mood to cook now kasi nag-iisa ako. Wow. No, I'm not 39. You are the perfect woman for me. Ala, Papa Bert. Ay, ano ba yan? Oh my God, thank you so much, Sinigor Senta. Why you say that I am perfect woman for you? Ay, Diyos ko, naku, ayoko ng ganyan. Ay, naku, kainis. Gusto ko na tuloy magpaalam. Kaso lang wala pa akong 1 hour. Akala mo natutuwa ako sa ganyan. Diyos ko, tapos may marunong pala sa mag-Tagalog, no? Okay, Sinigor, can you explain to me why this is your question and answer? Okay, Sinigor Santa from Bosnia, can you explain to me why I am the perfect woman for you? I will give you 60 seconds to answer the question. Well, 60 seconds. Wala, charot lang. Wala tayong magawa. Ano ka ba? Who broke your heart last night? It's the love, not a dream, that didn't work out right. If you listen, because I like you. What you like in me? You didn't even know me in person. You only saw me here at my live stream. Just give me a reason, just a little bit enough. Just a second when you're broken. And then you learn to love again. Oh, the adventures of your honor. I like it too. Charot. May sita yan. Meron dito na, guys. Alam mo, meron ako, mga 2 days na ako siguro, meron ako in-upload na apps. Wala lang, trip ko lang. Tinry ko lang, pero i-delete ko rin siya. Ano daw, may match. Puro Pilipino pala nandun. Diyos ko, hindi ko talaga sinasagot. Ang dami. Tapos, meron pa dun na, sabi niya, hi, tabi tayo. Sabi ko, anong tabi? Alam mo naman ako, tinatarayan ko kaagad yung hindi ka pa nga nagtatanong kung saan ako, ano pangalan ko. Sabi niya, babes, ay, hi, your honor. Sabi niya, tabi tayo. Anong tabi? Hindi nga ako masaya. Ah, ay, nako. Ay, nako, hindi ko na sinagot. Ang daming message doon. I-delete ko na lang. Wala naman akong gana. Ay, Jen! Aliyah! Kumakanta ko dito kahit acapella lang. Ay, yes. I want to flex my cup, you know. Look at this. Diyos ko, ayoko mag-jowa. Gusto ko yung jojowain ko yung gusto ko. Gusto ko yung kinikilig naman ako. Jen, saan ka, Jen? Hindi ko mabasa masyado ang mga comments na pag wala ko salamin, malabo. Ano ba yung umpisa nun? Hindi kasi pagod na talaga yung boses ko kagabi kaya medyo yung putol-putol ng hininga ko. Ano ba yung umpisa nun? Bakit ba pinagtagpo? Pala'y naglalayo tayo sa ating buhay. May umaga man pala. Magbitalik ka. Gusto ko nga mag-live ng kantahan. Do you like si Vapi, Jen? What's si Vapi? Vape. New blood joined this earth, and quickly he's subdued through constant pain, disgrace. Ano ba sana ito? Nakalimutan ko na. True what is by the same, this weeping boy done wrong. Jen, happy Mother's Day nga pala sa'yo. Ay, sa lahat ng mga mommies. I will eat later. Now, it's still early. It's 6 o'clock. I will eat later. Oy, Gallery PSP. Gallery PSP is from Indonesia, right? Salamat, malam. Salamat, malam. Samwa. The 1 year gave was all in vain. Nothing anyone can say will never make love this way again. It's the lover, not the love, who broke your heart last night. It's the lover, not a dream, that didn't work out right. If you listen to your heart, oh, you know it's true. It's the lover, not a love, who deserted you. Dumidighay na ako. Sorry. Ang alin, di ambot sa imong lubot. Bakit marunong ka magbisaya Ayan de los Reyes? To those of you who drop by and make tamsak to me, thank you so much, guys. Diyos ko, nakakainis to si Lolo eh. Your mother is from Leyte. Ayan, pwede naman magpaanak ka, ayan. So Bisaya talaga si Ayan, oy. Asan na si Jen? May tatanong ako kay Jen. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. My gosh. I don't have enough sleep last night. Shout out sa mga taga Leyte dyan. Birthday pala ni May Art. La la la. Broke your heart and say goodbye after promising forever. Sabay-bay kayo. Sinigor Sinta, I will subscribe you. Sinigor. I will do comment on your videos. You love pets. You love animals. Oh, sorry, I'm very sleepy. Sinigor, I subscribed you. Thank you. Oo. Sinigor is very supportive guy. I'm crying now. Tiis ganda, ang hirap. This is your channel, Sinigor. Sinigor. Bakit allowed na ba siya kumain ng mga ganyan, ng may dough? Wala na ba siyang bawal? Sino tinatanong mo? Ako, medyo pero okay lang. Kakasa sa mga saksakan ng mga nakasaksak, i-off mo ang laptop. Tapos tabunan mo ang mga mirror.
Misya, ano daw ang linalagay mo sa do? Gagawa siya na, ano? Ang ganda.
Ano, 6 PM pa lang dito. Diyan, alas 12 na ba? Oo nga eh.
Dikyang, huwag ka nang mag-ano ng yung mga sangkap ba, spices, kung ano mga linalagay mo sa at paggawa ng sauce.
Okay, put some salt and then some oregano and then a little bit of black pepper and then mix it well. That's all. At 10 PM pa lang dyan. Look, I'm messaging my coworker because they asked me about the recipe about pizza, the sauce, you know. They send me voice messages. If I want to go live, Sinigor, are you going to come up on the panel so that I can see you there? Cooking tutorial. Yeah. This is durable waterproof eyeliner. Durable. This is part of my job. I need to answer them back.
What you are talking about? I'm not asking about the dough. I'm just asking about the toppings. Okay, thank you.
Okay, done. I messaged you already what to put, okay?
Sabi niya kanina, nag-ayos kami sa kwarto. Mga damit niya na naman. Sabi niya, aalis ako next week. Siya lang ang aalis. Sabi ko, saan ka pupunta? Sa Dubai.
Totoo ba yan? Babiyahe ba yan mag-isa? Ate, pag nagpa-impake na siya, sabihin mo sa akin, ha? Pag nagbaba na siya ng bag. Kasi sinabihan din niya ako next week daw. Ewan, hindi ko lang alam kung... Sabi niya lahat daw kayo. Di nga, tulo daw yung sa sulod building. Ay! Wait, tawagan ko, wait. Kaso lang baka may makarinig dyan, oy. Baka may makarinig dyan.
Oo naman, ano naman. Ano naman di sa iwanan kami. Tatlo dito tatay. Kami, kasi nagpaalam na nga siya doon sa Tagaluto na tatravel siya. Sunod na linggo yun ang sabi niya. Oo naman, babalitaan kita tulog pa ang manok. Balitaan na kita pag nalaman ko.
Sikreto natin. Wait lang. Try ko baka busy siya, ha? Wait lang. Pag sinagot niya. Hindi mo yung pagsasabi pero nandyan pa sa live. Ayaw pa mag-reply. Ako na nga tatawag. Oh, pinatay ko na.
بس انت اخذوا ينزلوا قال الاسباب شاف
Okay lang.
Why you wear uniform?
Yeah, because I went to send in. I just arrived home.
From CNN.
Mm.
CNN is traveling.
Yeah.
What you carry in your hand?
It's for makeup.
Go up or not? You want to do live now?
No.
Just like this.
Yeah, I just feel bored. That's why I put some of this. Ay, hindi.
Ano kinain mo?
Chicken. Ikaw.
Fried. Or eat potato. Potato fries.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Where?
Philippines.
Except Philippines is always different. Here is 21 March.
Of course. Lebanon is Lebanon. Philippines is Philippines.
All people is 21 March. Only in Philippines different. When's Raul was coming?
She said next week. I think Friday.
The cow is okay now.
A bit better. You will see.
Miss na kita.
Ay, talaga.
What's the news?
Yes, after when she comes for short days and we will all go together there.
To Lebanon? That's good.
Because I need to renew my account.
That's good. You're welcome, Mike. Masaya ako.
Ako ay masaya. Ako ay masaya.
Ako ay masaya.
Tomorrow is Sunday. You don't want to go out?
In the house. Too much work, too much less sleep. More relaxing. We will go to hospital at morning and we will go after lunch. My grandmother is not okay.
God bless her.
She can't breathe anymore. Her situation is not good.
Too much
She can't do anything.
antok.
Yesterday we didn't sleep while we was in the hospital.
Ano?
We went to hospital at night. They called for...
Don't scratch.
They called for...
Don't scratch too much.
blood.
Ay, nako.
They called for blood. She wanted blood. They give her blood because her blood is down. Why you wearing glasses?
Of course, I cannot read very well. Ano? Maganda?
Guapa maganda. Guapa maganda.
Sige na? You're busy? Sige na? Ha?
Call you back later.
Oh, wait.
Says,
Sige na.
wish me.
Sige na, bye. Hindi siya makahalik kasi may mga tao sa paligid niya, nahiya siya. Tapos na pinatay ko na. Oo, hindi ako makapagsalita din kasi baka marinig ako dyan. Oo. Sabi ko, ops, may nakalimutan ka. Hindi nga siya makapag ano, no. Kasi nga may tao nga. Meron kasi siya nasa work. Tinuturuan ko mag-Tagalog konti. Sabi ko, alam niya yan. Bakit? Kung para na akong mukha na akong kape. Oo. After promising forever. Nasa na ako, 1 hour and 13 minutes. Pangalawa. Kanina umaga isa. Pangatlo. Umiinom kayo, di ba? 1.5 hours sa'yo, sa akin 1 and 13 minutes. Oo, wala. Nakakatulog naman ako. Pero kagabi hindi ako makatulog. Tingnan, kunin ko muna. Pour love! Pour love. Ayan, ang daming heart. Sana all. Akala ko wala na itong laman. Parang may gumagana pa siya. Bakit daw? Nasa cellphone ka daw? Kailan daw kaya nila kung makakaharap ng kung hawak na cellphone? Good morning, babes. Good morning na talaga dyan. Bakit good morning? Alas 6 na ng gabi dito. 6:25. Enjoy. Happy Mother's Day. May boses kaya ako ngayon. Ang gabi malat na ako eh. Never make it love that way again. It's the lover, not the love, who broke your heart last night. It's the lover, not a dream, that didn't work out right. I thank you so much for love. Nung andun ako, kala Kuya Dom, more than 4 hours at ako nag-concert. Saan? Sulitin ko na talaga itong mga malalayang araw ko kasi malapit na ako maging busy at hindi na naman ako Ang galing talaga nito ni Porlove. You're so witty. No? Pagkain. Sino si Dong? Chef Dom. Thank you so much. Nakainin ko itong isa. Kainis. Uy, talaga. Ang galing naman ni Ayan. So, ibig sabihin for love. Mahal kami ni Ayan kasi nandito siya kanina pa. Mula from the start. Ay! Wait! Mugas na akong kamay. Kaya nga very supportive pa. Ang sweet, di ba? Siguro yung mga tropa mo, hindi ka na nila makausan ng matino. Kasi nag-i-enjoy sila, nag-iinuman kayo. Tapos ikaw, hawak mo yung cellphone. Pero masaya ka rin ba, Ayan, sa ginagawa mo? Hala, grabe. Pero ang tanong, Ayan, masaya ka ba? Ay, ganon. Oo naman, asahan mo pag hindi ako happy o hindi ko gusto, never ko gagawin o never ako punta. And for that, thank you so much. Hindi na pa ako nakaalok pala. Kain tayo. Parang gusto ko mag-rice. Two hours lang to. Lapit naman yun. Sino naman makakasalubong niya for love? Yung mga motorista. Ay naku, mag-ingat ka, oy. Oo nga, sanay ka. Ikaw pa ba nagda-drive? Ikaw pa nagko-comment? Back-ride ka. Pag back-ride, pwede. Pwedeng magnakaw ng comment. Yun lang, one hand. Kasi di sa nakahawak, di ba? For love, nag-start na bang walwalan? Ay, King! They started already, the walwalan. Of course, who do you want me to eat with? Of course, I'm alone. Wow. You're here to eat? You told me to go diet. You said go diet, ate. But of course, there's no rice. Yeah. Hey! My Doris, happy Mother's Day. No, ano lang ako, 2 hours lang ako, 1 hours and 23 minutes na. 2 hours lang to. Ingat ka sa pag-uwi. Ay! Good morning, Philda. I just had my coffee. I don't have vodka. Good morning, Philda. Thank you so much. I just want to flex my cup. This is my picture when no wait. This picture was 6 years ago. Did the walwalan started yet? Walwalan. Oh, thank you. This is 2 kinds of picture. One here. It's a gift. And one here. Yes. Oh my god, I really gain weight. Oh my gosh. I need to go to the gym. You know, when I am inspired, I like to do strict diet when I am inspired. But when I am stressed and upset, so many things bothered me, you know, I love to seek food, and the food is the one who comforts me. I'm on my fishing vacation. My service is bad. Oh, give me some fish, Philda. Thank you, my Doris. Love it too. Too many people. You know, it's nice to hear them. They love you. They miss you. But even if there's a lot of people who are loving you, you are surrounded by nice and sweet people, but you feel like it's incomplete. Okay, ingat. Take care, my Doris. It's like incomplete if nakakaya naman si Ayan. Babash na naman ako na. You look good, straight, steak diet is the best secret. No, no, anything white color food. Yes, yes, I know that. I know because I was doing research. I was a member of. It's not keto diet. It's the other one. The other one I forgot. Member of. Oh my God! It's already here, but I can't say it. Uh, it's a group page in Facebook. It's like keto diet, but it's the other groups. I forgot. Yes, but even yeah, because white thing is flour, bread, no carbs, no what else is the white one? Sugar. Where did you put your English? Yes. Wow. I love steak, and then on the side salad. I love to cook. That's why I know what's. But I don't want to do it because sometimes when I told you food is the one who comforts me whenever I'm not in the mood. You're surrounded by negative people. Where did you put your English, Ayan de los Reyes? Anong favorite food mo, Ayan? Sinigor, thank you so much. Ang sarap ng tropa mo. Yes, yes, Philda. But it's finished. I don't know if the walwalan started already. I don't know what time. Chicken wings, chicken wings. Oh, so this is diet because it's only 3 pieces in one box. But I'm not satisfied. Ay, kambal! Kambal, kambal. Dalawa lang ang gusto ko, Ayan, sa binanggit mo. Dinuguan at saka kaldereta. I have a chicken. You have also chicken sinigor? Kambal. Bukas linggo. May live ka ba, Kambal? Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day advance. Not satisfied. That's a start of past. Not satisfied. Okay, I will drink water. I will drink water. Oy, nako, Kambal. Oh, I still have 30 minutes, Kambal, and I will end the live. Nako, I love Bopis also. Yes, and of course, people who loves to eat. Do you believe in that? People who loves to eat are the best people. And me, I love to cook too. You know, if I have a husband, I will serve him the good food. I will serve him like a king, you know, because this is one of my passion is to cook. That's why I love food. But when I was 42 kilos, that time, I used to do a show in Japan. Of course, there is rules that if you pass from your kilo, you will pay the penalty. If you gain weight, like for example, today you are 42, because every day they weigh us. So before you go to work, they put you the scale, and then your regular kilo is 42, for example, because I was 42. And then tomorrow you are 43, you have to pay the penalty. And if not, you're still gaining, you look so fat, they will send you back in the Philippines. So that's why I maintain my kilo. But now I'm not performing anymore. No more singing, no more dancing. I'm not a performer anymore. So what I did is eating. And nice to hear Mr. Philda. It's just enjoy fishing while chatting here at KOYANAGI Live. Thank you so much, guys. I still have 20. You know, I'm very low in mathematics. I still have 27 minutes. Yes, they are strict Japanese, you know. When you are a performer, you have to maintain your figure. I hope the fish don't that me today. He looks okay. Leave his bait alone. Bait. Bait. Ano ba yan? Kambal, Kambal, you have live tomorrow. It's the lover, not the love, who broke your heart last night. Weight discrimination. No, it's not. We're just talking about because I miss my figure before. That you can wear whatever you want. It's like it's a good feeling that if you wear the clothes that you like to wear, the fitting clothes, if you feel comfortable and what do you call this, confident, you know. Hindi ko pa alam, Kamal, baka i-surprise ako ng aking enac case. The fish gonna wait themselves, give him money once. Filda. Filda, you're so funny. I like the vibes of Filda. No, every time I saw him on the chat box. Also, Ian de los Reyes. All of you guys who are here. I was at the live stream how many days already? Last night I was at DJ Poy's live. The other day I was with All Lives live. And then I went to Jen Alias live. Ah, you're a single parent. Oh, it's a tie. I'm a single mother. If you don't mind, Philda, where you from? From US, right? Uh, which particularly in the US? My allergy starting. Allergy, yeah. 2 sets of wine, Colorado, US, Colorado, yeah. 2 sets of twins, 2 sets of wine. Oh my God, I have eyeglasses already, but still I can't read very well. 2 sets of twins, not 2 sets of wine. I'm native. It's a tie over here, Mr. Phil, the single mother here. Oh my gosh. Nakatulog ako nun kay Ate Olive. Yes, I slept last night like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm still awake. I don't know why. Because maybe too much coffee. You know, I love coffee. I'm a coffee lover. How many times in a day I used to drink coffee? Today 3 times, only 3. And then I wish 2 more sets of wifeys. You're a Muslim, Philda. Oh, even though you're not going to marry them. Oh, Cindy Corsenta, you're having coffee. 2 more sets of wives. Not only 2, wow, 2 sets. Okay, you can, Philda. You will do the slot. This one, your slot is this day. The other one is this day. Anong bawas-bawas? Nang alin? Nadugo ang ilong ko dito ah. I wish I will have a set of husband too. Boyfriends. Ano, husband, boyfriends. I love coffee too. About no, it's not because I'm using decaf. This decaffeinated coffee, yung low in caffeine. Hookah face. My body's called me hookah face. I thought poker face, hookah face. Poker face. Poker face. Oh, yes. I used Nescafe decaf. Yellow in caffeine. It's better. That's why I don't really do direct live like this, talking to myself or talking to you guys, because it's like boring to me that I can look at myself alone here. You, thanks that you're there and you are talking to me. You must to have a channel name Hooker Face. Looks interesting. Yeah. Shout out to you, Hooker Face. Yeah, that's right. Mas gusto ko kasi alam mo naman, mahilig ako kumanta kahit na 2 oras kaya kong mag-isa kumanta. Parang ganun. Yes, one evening she left, never came home. She's my angel forever. Car accident. But I'm good, 13 years now. Sorry to hear that, Phil. Kambal. Kanina pa ako nagaganyan dito. Sorry to hear that, Phil, 13 years from now. Car accident. So you never get married again? Never find another one? Don't English me. I'm not dictionary. I'm not graduation. Buti na lang nag-cutix ako kanina. Ang pangit na nang ko. O, diba? Oh, shocking, Mr. Phil. I'm so sorry to hear. This is one of the thing that it's like for example me, I don't have a car, but if I wanted to have a car, I always think about this accident, you know. It's like it stops me to buy a car. Wala naman akong pambili, no. Thanks, okay, that's okay. I'm still married. I have to go heaven first for her sign the papers. Oh, Felda, you're really if I am your wife, I'm very lucky, you know, because she's your forever. So how old is your twins, if you don't mind? How is your twins? How old is your twins? They are teenagers now because that was 13 years ago. So you have teens now. Back to you. You wonder why you even try. It was such a good pretender. The one you gave was all in vain. Parang kanina ko pa yun nasa utak ko yung it's the love and not the love. If you listen to your heart, oh, you know it's true. It's the love or not the love who deserted you. It's the lava lava, yeah. It's Mr. Lava Lava. Mr. Lava Lava. Yeah. Bombastic. Kaya pala, hinanap ko kambal yung upcoming mo. Wala. Kasi ipipin ko sana kahapon sa aking live. Siyempre. Siyempre ko agad yan. Mr. Lava Lava. Yeah. Mr. Bombastic. They were fantastic. I love the rock songs you sing. I forgot. Oh, rock songs, yes. Which one? Bon Jovi, Harry Styles, Metallica, Nirvana, Guns N' Roses, Skid Row, Scorpions, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Pearl Jam. Which one? Stop crying, baby. It's a sign of the times. You look pretty good down here, but you look pretty good. You can drive the door on your way to the sky. Welcome to the final show. Wearing your best clothes. You never loved me, been here before. But it's not soft rock. Which one? Benson Boone, Beautiful Things. Please stay. I want you, I need you. Oh God, don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Whoa, ooh, please don't take. I found my mind, I feel insane. It's been a while when I'm finding my fate. I think it's Sleep Not or Disturb. Mm, really, I think it's Sleep Not or Disturb. Which one? I'm a rock. I love rock music. Really, I in all the musics. If I choose one, I'll choose rock. want you, I need you, God, don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Ooh. I found my mind, I'm feeling sick. I think it's Walwala now, that's why I don't want to go live. Ah, so Walwalan started now. Yes, Kuya Dapper used to ask me if I want to sing on Walwalan. Sometimes I'm very busy, that's why I can't. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, moms. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, moms. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Onika Angel Kambal. Thank you so much. I still have a few minutes and I will end my live. Thank you guys for the love and support. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my belly. Thank you. Ano yan, Kambal? Yung ipagla-live mo yung channel mo, Kambal? Ano yan? Kantahan? Or ano lang siya? Screencast? And do you also feel the a happy Mother's Day because you do the duty of a mother and a father? So kudos to you. Where is that belly? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Thank you, guys. Enjoy. And to you as well. Enjoy, guys. People killing, people crying, children hurt and living dying. When you practice what you preach, then you turn the other cheek. Father, help us, sent from God as from above. And people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Mukhang mapapawi ako. Natawag pamangkin ko na iyak giatay. I still have 11 minutes to go. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, Ayan. Take care, all of you guys. Have a good one. Ang bait naman ni Ayan. Hindi niya ako iniiwan. Wow. Pagkatapos nito, maghahanap ako ng akyatan. Kahit 2 songs lang. Gusto ko i-stretch yung habang free pa ako kasi there is this week maybe I'm free, but next week I'm busy. I can't go live anymore. I cannot make guestings. Maybe after how many months again, because we will travel. Ano ba? June, July, August. June, July, August, September. So I will be far away, like 4 months or 3. No live. Why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. Na, 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 na. I might lose it all. Oh, please stay. Ay, naku, gabi na. Ayan, teka, patayin natin ng ano. Oh, meron na lang tayong 7 minutes. Alright.
Namiga ba hatiyo? Malang na buod na. Bukas na mas ba?
I still have 6 minutes, guys. Five minutes more. 5 minutes more and I will end the live. Thank you so much, guys, for staying, who dropped by, also for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow is Sunday, oh my God. Four minutes. 3 minutes. Two minutes. Thank you so much. Again, once again, thank you so much. One minute. Okay, tapos na. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan. Bye na. Thank you, thank you. Bye.